King Ojadike Reginald will rule this kingdom with or without the Ofo. And no man or spirit will ever take the first dynasty rights away from Ago dynasty. Never. Not while I'm alive.
What have you done? What are you doing here? Eh? What are you doing here, Ojadike?
It is now or never.
Gods of our land, what has befallen us? Oh. Something is wrong.
Igwe Kaka, Igwe, what happened to you? Hi, Chimo. Igwe Kaka, no, you can't do this to me. Igwe, please wake up. Igwe, please wake up. Who did this to you? Igwe, hi, Chimo. Igwe Okaka, please. Take me along with you, please. Please, please. You can't leave me on alone here, please. Igwe. Ay, Chimo. Ay, Igwe. Igwe, please. You can't do this to me. Igwe.
Hello, how are you?
I'm not fine.
Yeah, you sounded so urgent on phone. What happened? Have you tried reaching your dad on phone?
I've tried calling, but all to no avail. My father doesn't stay out this late.
Yeah, it's true. It's strange. Well, the truth is, my uncle, the chief priest, he has gone to the palace. Probably if we wait for him when it's dark and he doesn't return, both of us could go to the palace to look for him.
Okay, no problem.
Now tell me, have you had something to eat?
I haven't eaten yet.
Alright, I brought you this fruit to brighten up your day.
I'll just make do with this fruit.
Igwe Okaka, I command your spirit back to your body now. I command your spirit back to this body now. Come back!
Igwe Okaka, please wake up. Please wake up, don't do this to us. Igwe Okaka, wake up! Our enemies are going to laugh at us. They will attack us and defeat Agbo dynasty. Igwe Okaka, please wake up. Aye.
Cry no more. His soul has departed.
Aye. Ah, Agwana. Igwe.
Our great king, Igwe Okaka, is no more.
Okosisi anamo.
Alo emenu. Ndi ba enwere ụzọ ọzọ akpụsị eme. Hey! But what baffles me most in this matter is, how are we going to explain to people that the great Dibia of our land is not able to wake up? Okaka.
The point is not about resurrecting our great king from the dead. The point is, how did the hand of old witches invade our sacred palace, beat down our charms, and have blocked out the heart of our great king? This is strange. Very strange. Evil does not survive in this palace.
Crown me king.
Aaron, the corpse of our late king lays cold in his chambers, unburied, and the cause of his death undetermined. And we are here talking about the immediate coronation. I know we never be part of it.
It is obvious that our palace is porous. We must ask, how did water get into the coconut pod? I must ask, what is that power? Who is that person that is stronger and more powerful? than the great Agbo dynasty.
I say, no one, no witch, no demon, nor sorcerer, we are mightier and stronger than them.
Dikeh, a child who wields the machete his father brought from battle, without finding out how many heads he cut off, might end up cutting off his own head.
Are you threatening me?
Dikeh, there is no way you will become the king of Agbo dynasty without the Ofonre, the ancient mantle of leadership of Agbo kingdom. Rather, I am in possession of that offer. If anyone should become, I am the one that is going to become. A decision that was taken by your father. And I intend to maintain it, pending when he is buried.
Oh no. The request of our prince is not out of place. He is the next in line, yes. Yes, the throne is his.
With or without the offer. I am now the king of Agbo dynasty.
Abomination! I forbid you! You people are going to experience serious calamity. Yes, oh yes. Igwe Okaka is gone. I don't know if you're getting what I'm talking about. It is said, when the chicks are done, that simply means the mother hen is gone.
Hey, Onyeka, where are you going with all these things? Including your mat, where are you going to?
You're asking me? See, there is fire on the mountain. No. There is fire on the mountain. No. It is not just ordinary reading. It's reality. Yes. See, allow me to finish. The mountain is Agbo's dynasty. Why the fire is on us? You can't know what.
I'm on the run. Where are you going to?
You're asking me. You're asking me. It is said, a son has two homes. One from the father's side and one from the mother's side. Yes, even if my mother is a prostitute, her brother will still accept me. I know they will accept me. Yes. My father's land, as it is right now. Sure, calamity, everybody was a calamity. You two of you, as I'm looking at you. Yeah, unnecessary, alo. Yes. Yeah. Hey.
Wait. What are you leaving your grandmother for?
My grandmother? Yeah. Okay. My grandmother. Let her run to her mother's place. Oh. Hey. What's that? No want you people alone. Better run before it's too late to. The kwamo. All things fall apart. That's the go.
This is unbelievable. Igwe, dead just like that. It's so strange, like so strange. Witches killed him. I don't believe our chief priest. It's so unbelievable. The palace is the most secured place in this kingdom. Both spiritual and physical. There is nothing anybody will tell me. I don't believe this story.
The truth is, whether we believe it or not, he is gone. Sad though. Sad.
This is scary. Daberichi. Hello. This is scary.
Hand over the mantle of leadership to me.
Dikeh, no. Never. Never. I, Yul Edochie, can never betray the trust reposed on me by your late father. The mantle of leadership of the kingdom is what proves that Agu dynasty is the first son of the 7 dynasties that made up in the ancient kingdom. It was your arrogance. It was your stupidity. It was your selfishness that made your father to take that decision. And I am sure you are not going to change anytime soon.
I'm a man of very few words. I will only say it for the last time. Hand over the offer to me.
Dikeh, tell the entire kingdom what happened to your father. A man I saw 2 days ago. Helen had it. Dikeh, tell the entire kingdom how you killed your own father.
I, King Dikeh Reginald, will rule this kingdom with or without the offer. And no man or spirit will ever take the first dynasty right away from Agu dynasty. Never. Not while I'm alive.
Baby, I'm sorry. Okay? I'm really sorry.
I really can't believe that the king is dead. He promised to send me abroad to complete my studies. And now he's no more. Why? Why?
My love, I understand how you feel, okay? I know you're hurting. But you see, the gods of our land, they know best. Okay? We can't question them. They should know what is best for us.
They know better?
Yes, baby. They know better.
The good ones die, while the evil ones live freely in this world. I don't know if I'll be able to heal from this pain.
Baby, I understand how you feel, alright? Okay? But you see, you need to put yourself together, alright? I need you. I can see you're not in a good mood. I actually came to let you know that I'm coming with my people probably next tomorrow to ask for your hand in marriage.
Are you serious?
Yes, baby. I'm dead serious. Very serious.
You're not playing with me.
Come on, sweetheart. I can't joke with such a thing. I'm serious.
Yes.
That's my girl.
Thank you so much.
Yes, baby.
I feel much relieved now. I wish Dikeh was still alive to give us his royal blessings.
I understand. Okay? But you see, you have nothing much to worry about. His son, Prince Dikeh, is alive. Okay? He will do that in his place. So don't worry. Cheer up. You know what? Let's just talk about us and our wedding.
Yeah, I am so happy.
Yes, baby. Same here. I'm extremely happy too.
What are you doing here? I'm asking you a question. What are you doing here? Are we supposed to meet today? See, I have bigger problems on my hands, okay? I need to provide the offer. Yes, I've been given an ultimatum. I have 14 days to provide the offer. If I don't do that, the stand of Ago dynasty as the first of the 7 dynasties that make up our kingdom will go away. It will be taken away. So you come in here, will that provide my offer?
Dikeh, the one whom the crown fits. We have given you the protection you need as a king. As part of the bargain is yet to be fulfilled. Give us the space we need and restore our position in this dynasty.
Are you not listening to me? Huh? You spoke something before coming here. I said I need my offer. Without my offer, my stand hasn't been solidified. Are you not listening? Find my offer. That's what you should be worried about now. Find it, I'll give you anything you want. You want a palace like this? Fine, I'll give it to you. You want to have plots of land in my kingdom? I will give you anything you want. Find my offer.
The separate deity of this dynasty prevent us from accessing the whereabouts of the mantle. But you can achieve that through humans.
Through humans? How? Through humans? What do they mean? What do they mean by through humans? What's wrong with these witches? Stay one place now and suddenly running. Your father, because your father was a very stupid man. He wasn't loyal. He should have known not to cross the line.
And by crossing the line, you mean what?
By crossing the line, I mean not messing with a man like me. You and your father owe me. Yes. And that debt will be paid today.
Hi! Dikeh, we asked you. I asked you! And you clearly stated that we owed you nothing. Dikeh, what is this? What is my father's lifeless body doing on the floor? Dikeh, what is this? What is this?
You owe me everything, woman. You owe me your life. I gave you my kidney. That you are alive today having a second chance is because of me. So you owe me. And that debt will be paid today. The only way you can pay me is by becoming my wife. And our marriage will hold today. Guards! Take her inside, get her ready for the marriage. Now! Bring her here! Now!
No! No way! What are they doing?
Take her inside.
No! No!
Dikeh! How dare you, Dikeh! So you are the evil men that have been threatening the serenity of this great kingdom. You killed your father, and you killed your no and have declared his daughter to be a queen. So you have drank from the paws of the banned witches. You have drank from the paws of incest. I should have known it. I should have known that your quiet is unrest and crave for power from the witches and the blind sorcerers. Oh, Dikeh, I will bring you down. I will bring you down for bringing calamity to this great kingdom. Oh, Dikeh.
What's going on? No, this is serious. This is unlike her. What? Could it be she's not back from the palace yet? Something is definitely wrong somewhere. Something's wrong somewhere.
Oh,
Goma, how are you?
I'm fine.
What do you want?
I came to see you. I came to spend time with you. Abi, is it a battle?
I've told you, don't be touching me like that, too. Before people start thinking maybe the both of us are doing something.
Calm down. Calm down.
So what do you want? How may I help you?
I just came to see you. Is it Funaya here? Hey, have you heard? Oh, our ego is dead. Chimo, such a good man.
I'm aware we lost the ego. It's not a new news to me. Listen, Ugoma, please. Today, a day of no disturbance for me. I have a lot on my head. Just go.
Stop.
I told you, it's not possible. Listen, just go. Go! I want to be left alone for today. I don't want distraction.
Go, please, just give me one.
Oh, just go.
What's up?
What you are trying to do is an abomination. How can you be getting married when your father's corpse is still unburied? What sacrilege are you committing in this kingdom?
Carry on.
What? No. Dikeh, you can't force this poor girl into marriage just because you think no one can question you. For crying out loud, you killed her father. What's wrong with you?
Guards!
Yes, Your Majesty.
Move this woman to the guest house. Now.
Move!
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 Dikeh!
Move!
Dikeh!
Move! 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 Dikeh, look at our late king's widow, your own mother at that, moving her today. Yes, true.
Your Highness, this is not proper.
Silence. Carry on. Sit. Guards.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Move these old men to the cell. Lock them up there. 3 days, no food, no water. Now, proceed.
Move!
Smile. Smile. You look very happy.
What's all this? What's going on? I've been trying to reach my love for a while now, and the number is not reachable. Something is wrong somewhere. Let me try a WhatsApp line. Send a voice note. Hello, my love. How are you? Baby, I've been trying to reach you for a while now. And your number is not going. I even called your father's number. His number is also not reachable. Hope you are okay, wherever you are. Or are you not back from the palace yet? Please call me as soon as you get this. I love you.
Good afternoon, sir. I want to buy something.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
What do you want to buy?
I want to buy bread and egg.
Oh, bread and egg.
Yes,
Okay. Cook egg or raw egg?
Raw egg, sir.
Yeah, raw egg.
Yes, sir.
Now 300 naira. So you want those small 400 naira bread?
Yes, sir. No, that one.
This one?
No, that one. Another one.
No, this one 800. Let me go inside the shop and get the one of 400 for you. Come inside the shop.
Okay,
Yeah?
sir.
Go home, young king of Earth, for you cannot fight the gods.
You cannot break the law of the land. You cannot fight the gods.
I did not come all the way down here to be told what I cannot do. I need my offer, and I believe you witches can access it. Yes, I am already king, but I need that mantle of leadership. With it, I will solidify the stand of Argo dynasty as the #1 dynasty of the 7 that make up Nri Kingdom.
Are you ready to destroy the powers protecting your kingdom and your palace?
You have no idea who is here before you. I am King Dikeh. I am ready to do anything it takes to get what I want.
Even the gods shall fight you, but I see you victorious. You shall
sacrifice 12 young virgins, females. We shall prepare you. Your soul shall be exchanged. King Ojadike, the dynasty shall be in your hands.
Papa!
The greatest masquerade that beautified himself, half woman, half spirit.
Dikeh, let me go! Dikeh! Just let me go! You have killed my father! What more do you want from me? Just allow me mourn my father in peace! Let me go! Let me go! Dikeh! Dikeh! Let me go! Dikeh, come on! Let me go! Let me go! Dikeh, please let me go!
You are wasting my time.
What are you looking for? What are you doing here?
I am here to see my fiancée, Funanya. Yes, she's inside the palace.
Mr. Man, leave this place.
What do you mean I should leave this place, eh? I said I am here to see my fiancée, Funanya. You're telling me to leave the palace. Listen, you see that you go inside and tell her I'm here to see her, or you allow me to follow her.
Mr. Man, leave this place. Else you will regret your life.
What's going on here? What is going on here? Could it be my fiancé is not here? No. I think it's switched off and she's not in the house. Something's not right. Okay, open it!
You are trying me, eh? You are trying me.
Are you?
Try me, you lose your head. Don't come here again.
Tabereshi, you know you're so beautiful. I swear to God, anytime I see you, I feel happy. Please accept me now.
You have started again. I'll start avoiding you.
Tabereshi, why are you standing like this? Are we not on the same page? What is going on?
Maybe he's late for Dikeh's coronation. But has he found himself a queen?
I don't know.
The lady must be very lucky. But how did our king die like that? Without any trace?
Tabereshi, I don't know about that. That is not what I'm thinking now. What I'm thinking is just about you.
About who?
You.
Oga.
Just give me a chance.
The kingdom is mourning her king. I advise you think in that direction.
Okay.
Please accompany me to Goma's house. There's something important I want to tell her.
No problem, my love.
What did you say?
I say, no, it's alright, my sister. Let's go. Fine girl. Let's go now.
Don't accompany me again, go back.
Please.
Oga, go back, I beg, I don't want. Go.
Daddy baby.
We have gotten him through his own blood. We have gotten the entire kingdom. They shall remain under our spell. The new king belongs to us. He is the God we all know. He shall continue to destroy with no mercy. No mortal shall ever challenge him and go free. He is our own. Igwe Dikeh is our own.
We have defeated the kingdom. Now their tradition is broken. Our law has come to stay for eternity with them.
We are prevailing. We are prevailing.
Isn't it? See, the love I have for you is unimaginable, unmeasurable, and unquantifiable. Listen, let me tell you. If you say yes to me now, I'll just find somewhere, even if it's inside this bush, I don't mind. We'll just run package, sharp, sharp. You understand?
See what you're saying. Don't you know we are relatives?
Relatives? That's what you kept saying. Okay, let me ask you a question, isn't it? Your mama, your mother, and my own mother, are they the same? Don't you see? Then why are you now dulling us now? Come on now. Are you a doll baby? You see, you get this style, this new style. If you try them, you love it very well. Yes, now. Come on. Nah, isn't it? Why are you dulling now? Are you a doll baby? Come on. You a doll you. You can't do like doll baby. Are you a doll baby? I love for you.
What is it? What happened? I don't know. Flaya, who is him? Who is him? Flaya, call her father. Go and call Nai, please. Let's go. What happened? Please hurry! Hurry! Flaya! Flaya, who is in? Who is in the house? Flaya! Flaya, please get up! Hurry, please! Papa! Papa!
What is it? What is it? Calm down, what is it?
Naya.
What happened to Naya?
She collapsed.
Collapsed? Yes. My own daughter collapsed. Oh, please, let me collapse. Doctor, what happened? Doctor, what happened to my daughter? Doctor, please talk to me. What happened to her?
Your daughter has just one kidney. Yes, one kidney.
Of course I know. I know she has one kidney. I donated my left kidney to her when she was 15. Doctor, that was exactly what killed her mother, my late wife.
Yes. Your daughter has kidney failure. And a particular kidney is weak and complicated at this point in time. If she survives in the next 74 hours, it is a miracle.
Help! My friend Naya.
Doctor, please do something. She's the only one I have in this planet Earth. Please.
Doctor, please. What can we do? Please, you need to do something to save her life. She's the only child. She's our friend too. Yes, please, our friend. Help us out, I beg you.
The only option is kidney transplant. A perfect kidney transplant. That's what she needs.
No, what do you mean by that? Eh? No, wait. Me, Ugoma, I should donate my kidney for what, Kwan? No, why will I donate my kidney? We are friends, yes, but not to the point of me giving up my kidney to her. Sure?
Are you saying this because you have a crush on Obinna? No, maybe in your mind, you're praying that she dies. So you can go ahead and stay with Obinna, right?
Can you shut up this stupid mouth, for Christ's sake? Shut up. Eh? What's bringing that one? Like, what is the meaning of this you just said? Wait. Are you not her friend? Why not go ahead and give her your kidney so you will die?
Someday, you're going to sacrifice something bigger than this.
I don't understand. What's the meaning of that?
Let's go and call Obinna. I am certain he will be willing to donate his kidney for Ifunanya to save her life.
That Berechi may thunder fire use your stupid mouth. May thunder fire use your stupid mouth. We are not going to call Obinna. Oh! No, why must you mention Obinna in this conversation right now? You know how much I love Obinna. Oh, you want it to die? See, you are not a good person. You are mad. We are not going to call Obinna. We are not going to call any Obinna. That Berechi. That Berechi. I know you are very wicked.
I'm here. How is she? Doctor, how is my woman? I'm ready to do whatever it takes. I'm ready to donate my kidney for her. I'm a man, she's my woman. I'm ready to do whatever it takes, doctor. Doctor, I'm ready.
Obinna, are you sure that you want to donate your kidney for my own daughter?
Yes, Papa. I am ready to die for her to live. Yes, I'm ready. Yes. I'm ready to do whatever it takes.
That's good. You are ready, eh?
Yes, doctor. I'm ready.
On that note, I will send you to the lab to run some tests to ascertain if you are a perfect match.
Nurse! Nurse!
Baby, I'm so joyous in my spirit, I must confess. Especially now that you're okay and you're back on your feet. Especially now you're about to go for youth service. Yes, I'm very happy. That's my girl. I'm happy you're okay now.
I'm equally happy and grateful to you and my father. I mean, if it wasn't for you, I wonder what would have been my fate now.
I understand how you feel. And I thank God you're better now and you're fine. Truth be told, someone actually donated his kidney to you. I would have donated mine. One of my kidney had complication. But this fellow donated his without asking anything in return.
If I may ask, who is this person in question?
It's no other person but Prince Dikeh of Agu Dynasty. Babe. Sweetheart, what's going on? What are you doing with that pen? What you want to use it for?
I want us to take blood oath.
Blood oath?
A covenant that you'll be mine forever and I'll be yours forever. That you would love me till death do us part.
I love you too, sweetheart.
And I am not doubting your love for me. See this as a way of securing our future. You know, soon I'll be leaving for Kano for my youth service. I don't want anyone taking you away from me. Not even my friend, Ugoma. You know she likes you a lot. I don't want your attention to be divided.
My darling, my love, Ugoma can never take me away from you. Nobody will. Nobody can.
I know. But please, I want us to do this. I want to be sure that you are mine forever and that I am yours forever.
Is that what you want?
Right senses still takes blood oath in this age and time.
I love him. And I do not want to lose him. This is me securing my man. Listen, I already met with Prince Dikeh. And I asked him if he wanted anything in return, and he said no. He said no.
I really hope nothing goes wrong at the end.
What could possibly go wrong? Dabere, can you be positive for once?
Where is that coming from?
From the elders who locked up my king.
Bring them.
No one questions him.
Ọjà Dikeh ni igwe anyị o. Igwe.
Chere gaba.
Ọkanga na abana eze mba. Odogwu. Eze ndị eze.
Ọdagbulu enyi.
Owara dị ka gị.
Oda Dikeh, your reign will have no end. We are happy with your reign.
We are happy. We're truly happy, Oda Dikeh.
Igwe, we are sorry for going against your rule. It will not happen again.
We are proud of you. Eze ndị eze. Biko, lekwa anyị na.
Mbana balago n'azụ.
We are sorry.
I believe we are all on the same page now. No more betrayals. No more stupidity from three of you.
It's not lockdown.
You can go back to your houses.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you, man.
One more thing, come back here. None of you should ever try to leave this kingdom. Is that clear?
Yes, Your Majesty. Yes.
I am King Dikeh. I am your king. I see everything you do. I hear everything you do. I know all you do. If you try to abandon your duties and run away from this kingdom, I will wipe out your entire lineage.
Igwe.
Get out.
Dikeh, the greatest masquerade that beautifies himself. Half woman, half spirit. The God that's living among men is in a body. No one questions him.
I warned you that your day of reckoning will come. Dikeh, a child who lifts his father up should be ready to be blinded by his nyon-yon and yon-yon. Dikeh, the dance of Sulugere is not a dance for boys, but a dance of the spirit. Dikeh, I warn you, yes, today your day of reckoning has come.
Have you tried enough? I'm asking you, foolish man. Have you tried enough? I am King Dikeh. I am your God. Be careful not to provoke the wrath of your God.
Good afternoon. What do you want?
As usual, Agbo.
Agbo? You too like Agbo. How many do you want?
3.
300. Okay. Hope so you get change.
No, I want the transfer.
You say waiting?
Transfer.
Transfer be transfer now. I need to take transfer. Not after what all these boys they do with fake transfer. So if you don't get money, just go out there. I better come up for you, I better.
Dikeh, please. I beg you with everything you hold there. Please. I do not want to make a public appearance with you. I don't even know where my father's corpse is. And most importantly, I am not fit for this, for all of this. I beg you, just let me go. Please. Let me go and mourn my father in peace. Please. I don't want this. I don't want all of this. Just let me go, please.
Please, I beg you. Ojadike. Please.
What you just did now, do not try it again. You have 10 minutes to meet me downstairs.
Oja. Please. Oja.
What do you want? Oh, you. Are you not the young man sharpening Ono's daughter?
I am the one, yes. How may I help you?
Hey, code one, okay, you there? Hey, Ibaba.
Yes, I'm the one.
You're the one? Yes. Because I've seen you and Funanya almost every day of my life in Ago Kingdom. Yes, sir. I used to... Mama. Wait. Did you foolishly and stupidly give your woman to Ojadike? Prince Ojadike to marry? No, no, are you bad? In our back hole, that means you, how could you do such a thing? Are you mad? Are you mad? That is. Hey.
Please. Don't be offended, please. Don't be offended.
Okay.
Can you repeat what you just said now?
It is either your head is full of dust, that be cigar, or with dust, or your brain doesn't work in the market days. You're asking me. Okay, listen to me. I asked, did you or did you not give our Ono's daughter to Prince Ojadike? Every day and night is the Opagima. I know all of you in this community. I know all of you. And all the things you people are doing, I'm recording them.
No. No, I didn't. It's not possible.
It's not possible.
It's not Funaya. No, she's my betrothed. She's mine.
What's your betrothed?
They are from the same kingdom. They can't get married. It's not possible. They can't.
Like I said before, your head is full of dust. Yes, your head is full of dust. Chia! No! Alu abomination! I am going to the palace to see Prince Ojadike. No, he must tell me. What is smoking and who is supplying him that smoke? I want to know why he declares such calamity. See, I'm going to defend my people.
What is it? Gabriel, have you heard? Prince Ojadike declared himself king. My father already told me.
That he killed his father. Killed the Onowu. As I'm talking to you, so the chief priest is nowhere to be found.
It's a lie. Wait. Are you telling me a movie story or something?
Reality is happening right now in our community. Okay, let me ask you this question. When was the last time you saw Funaya?
How? Funaya should be at home. Or if she's not at home, she should be at Obina's house or Obina's shop.
I haven't really seen her in a couple of days now.
Funanya is in the palace as Prince Ojadike's queen.
What are you talking about? We all know that Funaya and Obinna took a blood oath. I mean, there is no how if Funaya is going to leave Obinna for anyone, not even you, that has eyes on him. Talk more of leaving him for that arrogant prince. It's not possible now.
Have you also forgotten that arrogant prince gave her his kidney?
And so? He did it out of his free will. Nobody begged him to do so.
Ah, he has married her for the benefits.
Wait. Mama, what are you even talking about? You mean if we go to the palace now, we'll see Funaya?
Am I joking? Am I laughing? Follow me, let's go and see.
My people,
yes?
Beautiful ladies of Ago, what brought you to the palace?
We came to see our friend Funaya.
Yes. Is she there?
Oh, my queen?
Yes.
Fine. Hope there's no problem.
No, not at all.
Come inside.
Dikeh is possessed. He killed my parents right in front of me and the elders. He even killed the chief priest when he invaded the palace. I'm tired. I am scared. I don't even know what to do at this point.
And you're still here? Can't you leave and report him to the police?
Report to the police? What if the police gives him the information that we reported him to them? He'll probably do something to you girls. I don't know. I can't. I just know we have to do something, but I don't know.
What are we going to do? What are you going to do? This is too much. I hope he's not going to wipe off the entire community.
I don't know. Meanwhile, have you seen or heard from Obinna? I know he must be worried by now. Ojadike seized my phone. I can't even... I feel trapped here.
Yes, I was in his store earlier. He's fine. But this is so unbelievable and scary. I mean, you have been going through all of this. Let me ask you. Is he sleeping with you?
You're already cheating on Obinna.
Oh, Alu.
Where are you? Someone said I'm not afraid of you. How dare you? Igwe, how dare you go against our land? She belongs to me.
Igwe! We took a blood oath together. Now listen, the ground that you walk on will destroy you, Igwe.
Dikeh, please just let us go, please. Let us go. I love him so much. He's the man that I love. He's the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. Please, just let us go.
You want to take your woman? Then go ahead and shoot me. If you want to shoot, shoot. Don't talk. Shoot me!
I'm not joking,
Shoot
me.
I
will shoot you.
Shoot me!
I will shoot you.
Shoot me! Shoot me! Shoot me! Shoot me! Shoot me!
I'm giving you 2 days. 2 days to make up your mind. If not, you will answer me in the palace.
Why me? Why me? Of all the maidens in this community, why have you chosen to frustrate me? What have I done to you?
Are you asking me that? After everything I spent on you, with all my money, Dabereshi, I don't care. I'm just giving you 2 days. Me, I have made up my mind. Period. 2 days. Think about it. 2 days, Dabereshi.
Oh no. At least give me some more time. Just give me a little more time. Let me decide. Let me think about
Dabere, I don't have time. 2 days. 2 days. Dabereshi, 2 days.
What kind of temptation is this? What kind of trouble is this? How did I get myself into this kind of mess? This boy just came into my life like a trap. What is this now? Hey.
Is this not Ezinne's mother? Why is she crying?
I don't know. Is she coming from the palace?
Dabereshi, how am I supposed to know? No, did I just follow her? Am I coming with her?
It looks like she's coming from the palace.
This one knows what I problem. I'm Ezinne!
Yes! I said, stop there! Stop! Stop there!
Position.
I will slap you. You. Yes. I'm talking to you. Yes, yes.
I'm going to be even Gabicon,
Cut that side. Shift. Shift. I will mess you up now.
Look at this village artifact. What's happening here?
I must tell you all the truth. Here. Shame on all of you. Yes. I'm ashamed of all of you. Yes. Thank God. I'm no longer in this village. And I have a citizenship in my mother's side. Yes.
Better for you.
At least
That's better.
their brains are normal. Yes. What are you people doing in this land? Eh? Hello, I took you. You're a very wicked man. And if you continue looking at me like this, I may slap you. Yes! What are you people doing in this land? Eh?
Onyeka! Onyeka! Stop that! Go back to your mother's village and leave us alone. Do you hear me?
Let him be. Leave him alone. Oh, I'm Orogini. I'm Orowoke. Hey, look at him. Hey! You hear me?
Hey! You. Oh. So I'm useless. Eh?
Yes.
I am useless.
You are hopeless.
Exactly.
No, you are hopeless. Both useless are hopeless.
What is I am useless. A man that raped his own sister. What do you do? Nothing. You just sit. Watch like morons. Mugus. Don't ever insult us. Leave us alone. Leave now. We are discussing important matters. Oh, and mind you, don't you ever insult our Igwe. How dare you? So I am reporting this thing, these atrocities to you elders. And it seems as if I'm distracting your movement. Where are the men of Agu Kingdom? Eh? But I am asking you that question in particular. You this man and you this man. Yes, where are the youths? Yeah? The youths that used to light up fires and graze houses, greater houses and cars and do anything in anger. Where are they? Eh? Answer me that question. Dikeh, that useless and foolish Igwe that killed his own parents. Eh? And you elders, seated. Yes, me no na youthful age. See, let me tell you.
How dare you?
How dare you?
Free him.
How
dare you? Wait. Huh? They're gonna take it easy. I see this one now. Eh? Na trap. Let him go. He's looking for who will kill him. That's the matter.
You this guy.
The more he talks and you listen
yes!
to him, the more
AI elders. Huh? Yes, Yakunubu. AI elders. He's calling us AI. Yes. All your generations. Look at this workplace drunkard. Your generation is. Come on, don't die. Leave him. Leave him. Free him. Come on, stop that. Free him, Chief. Leave him.
He has gone to Raditi. Listen to me. When a madman is talking, he's talking from both sides of his mouth. Do you know how many demons in this body? Legion of demons. Challenge him. Go and challenge him.
Who? It's you that will challenge him. It's you.
Come out, okay? Just leave my part! I don't want to do something drastic. Just leave me alone. I need to see Obina. I need to see him now. Just come out. I need to see Obina.
No, my queen.
Just leave me alone,
my queen.
please.
Oh, no, my queen.
Leave me alone, please. I need to see Obina. I am going crazy. I don't know what is going on here.
Let me take you inside.
I need to see Obina, please.
No, my queen, please.
Just let me go. Let me go.
Let me take you inside.
Just let me go. Let me go! Let me go! Let me go! Let me... Just let me go! Please, let me alone! Let me alone! I'm going crazy! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
He impregnated my daughter and denied it too. He impregnated his stepsister. Hi!
Mbaka did what?
Whoa.
How? I thought they are related.
Oh,
If he fella.
Wait. Wait. How did all of this happen? You mean to tell us that your daughter Ezine is pregnant from Baka?
No. I'd rather die than missing with that devil. No, I'd rather die. I'd rather die than I will kill myself.
But how is this possible? Is it that Mbaka doesn't know they are related or something? How did that happen?
I think we should still follow her to her house.
You're not well. Please, let's go back to where we're going.
Now let's follow her small.
Try! Arumelo.
Keka yesi Jaifa.
Ha? Kangu na eziokwu. Oboro yekwu baskolo efo. Obgood na ko ndi ozo na efu nke okosi amefu.
Nke mu amafukwa. My one will not lost.
Mmekwu eziokwu. Onyeka was right. All he said was right. As men that have testicles in between our thighs, we have not done enough at all. This young man is holding us to ransom. Huh? We will allow him like this. We will allow him to continue to have his way like this until the kingdom goes into a station.
I'm afraid. Yes. But the truth of the matter is, he has a strong grip. Yes. That's real wahala, real trouble.
And there is no way we can even escape from the kingdom. We are trapped. Eji anyeji never. Eji anyeji.
Escaping from the kingdom is never an option. It's not an option. Yes. Escaping from your land is not an option. We're talking about how to conquer this land and live. Must we continue like this? It takes men that are real men to do what? To break through this fight and restore the entire kingdom. Oh. Now we must salvage our land.
Oh, as it is. No one.
No help.
We are trapped. I tell you.
Then, you want us to run away from our land? My friend, get out. You're a coward.
Look at you. Are you not the one that is supporting him?
Stop saying that.
Are you not the one that is supporting him?
My friend, say me that trash.
Tell me, are you not the one? Oh yeah, sacrifice yourself for him.
Now, man. Are you not the one?
Bring up a suggestion. Now what you take? Onyane kumakia.
Chimwene.
Okwa Dikeh. Made fuku.
Okoko anwona.
Keke buka. How am I going to Okwa. Onyane kumakia.
Eze.
Dikeh wa.
Eze ndi eze. Dikeh ni dia yuma mbombo. Dikeh ni dia yuma mbombo. Oyo chimereze amadi apụghị mbombo. Oyo chimereze amadi apụghị na ya. Ọgbambo. Dikeh eze ndị eze. Ọkanga na abara eze mba.
Ofosisi
eze anyị ji eme ọnụ anyị ekele.
Dikeh, you are ready to have no end.
Ofonya na say no. Dikeh wa.
Hey.
Dikeh live forever.
Hey. Biko. Aya na ntị afọ. Aya na ntị afọ. Aya na ntị afọ. Aya na ntị afọ.
Mbano. Bia ya papa.
Ezine, let him tell me what I'm thinking of, because I will kill myself. Ezine, hey! Somebody help me! I am finished. Somebody help me! Ezine, wake up. Ezine, wake up. Hey, whoa! Chima, Mama, what you tell me? Mbaka has killed me! Ezine, get up! Ezine, no. Hey! Somebody help me! No! I
Your Majesty, Ezobodai is in the I am sorry to bother you with this, and I promise that the moment I leave this place, I'll start the process of marriage between my daughter Adaberechi and Onowa.
Silence, Ichie. Your daughter can speak for herself. She's an adult. While the young man was spending money on you and training you in school, did you promise him marriage?
Yes, Your Majesty. But not actually. I mean, if he took my yes seriously, he could have at least taken my no seriously as well. I told him on several occasions that he was not my type. He's not my kind of man. He just wanted to spend money.
Really? He is not your kind of man, but his money is your kind of money. Ichiokoisi,
Your Majesty.
You have 4 market days. Arrange for your daughter to be married to that young man.
That I will do exactly, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, you're not going to force me to marry someone I don't love. Just the same way you forced my friend Funanya to be your queen. I'm not going to marry him. He's not my kind of man.
Will you stop? How dare you talk back at our king? Mugivine no water. Eh? You want repeat here. I break your neck with this. Stupid girl. Your Majesty, Biko. Oh my God. Temper justice with mercy, Biko. That's my only child. Biko. What my only child, Diva. Maya, will you start walking back? Go!
You were there. You stood there and watched him slap me and you did nothing.
You know my hands are tight. My hands were tight. What could I have done? Huh? But you think he's a different person? You know he's a king. I have no right to stand before him and open my mouth and utter a word.
Which father? Which father watches a man abuse his own daughter in his presence without doing anything? King or no king? Which father?
My daughter. Like I said, I felt it more than you did. Look at the matter. Dikeh is a wicked king. Tyrant king. He doesn't know anything concerning us. He doesn't even care to know about his subjects. Otherwise, he wouldn't have slapped you in my presence. Please.
You know what? I am leaving. I am going to leave this kingdom. Enough is enough. He's your king, right? I'll leave you.
Then I will die. Come back. Come. If you leave me, I die.
The one who the crown fits. Have you not enjoyed the privilege of our benevolence enough to fulfill our desire?
I cannot fulfill your desires when I'm an unsettled man.
Still therefore.
Yes.
Why look far when that which you seek lies beneath you?
Beneath me? I do not understand. I've already killed my father, the king. The only other person who should know the whereabouts of the Ofo is still Nowu, and I have killed him as well. So where is my Ofo?
Your mother.
My mother?
Yes.
What is it?
I understand you know the whereabouts of my mantle of leadership. Give it to me.
Dikeh, it shall never be well with you and whosoever that led you into these blood-sucking activities. It shall never be well with you people.
My late father, your husband, was a very foolish man. He tried to take my birthright, and I took him out.
Oh no. It is obvious that my son cannot rule this kingdom. And I'm worried of what the future of Agu dynasty will look like when I must have joined my ancestors, considering my health. On that note, when I am no more, you will rule this kingdom. Pending when my son must have come back to his senses.
Igwe, your wish is always my command. I will do my best to keep to your instructions. Igwe.
No.
Igwe, where is it?
My husband is right. Our son is arrogant. I wonder what he has turned into. Please, accept my husband's offer.
Accept what? Huh? I'm asking you, accept what? Father, did I just hear you correctly? You want to give my birthright to this man?
My decision is final. What have you done? What are you doing here? Eh? What are you doing here, Dikeh?
It is now or never. Time. I understand you know the whereabouts of my mantle of leadership. Tell me where I can get it now.
I rather remain in captivity and die than to grow the rage of your stupidity. Dikeh, I regret sending you abroad when you were very much younger. Now look at you. You've grown old. child, who did this to you? What happened to you? I am asking. You better kill me the way you killed your father. I am not going to show you where the mountain of leadership is. Yes. Better kill me, let me join my ancestors. Yes.
So be it.
Dikeh, what is it? What are you trying to do? Dikeh, what is it? Of our land have turned their backs against us. The rumor I heard this morning is that he killed Onyeka.
Oh no, Onyeka?
Yes, Onyeka that we all know. He traced him down to his mother's land and killed him. According to eyewitness, that they found his body without his head.
Are you sure of what you're saying? I mean, who told you he killed him? You can't be saying things without evidence.
Goma. We all know that Onyeka challenged him. He even took policemen to the palace to arrest him, but they failed. You know what? I have decided to do everything within my powers to look for Ifunanya. Because she's nowhere to be found in this kingdom. The youths, I mean, everyone in this kingdom is under a spell, except you and I. Just the two of us.
I had a very terrible dream last night. Honestly, we are not safe.
I had a horrible dream myself.
What are you trying to do? No, let me tell you what. As you see your father now, I am so confused. In fact, I don't know what to do again. I don't know what else to do. We are so unfortunate to have an evil king. Yeah? He is possessed with the spirit of the old witches. And with this, he sees everything happening in the kingdom. He sees everybody. He knows what we are doing. He even knows our movements.
Father, I
do
don't
not
care.
bear it.
I don't care.
I don't want to lose you.
I don't care if
I am
he
not
sees...
that person. But what is happening to you? Because...
Father, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care if he sees or hears everything we do. I don't care if he's a spirit or the wind himself. I don't. I am not going to marry Onuwa. I am not going to let Onuwa have my virginity. A stupid man like Onuwa, whatever they call him. Someone that sleeps around with all the maidens in this community. Simply because he has little change. How much does he have? How much?
It's okay, Matata. It's okay. Listen to me. Understand God. It's not about Onuwa now alone. Look at the matter. Whenever you hear that something is one, somebody has something, one, just one, it is finished. Because I don't have a second child. I have no other person that lives with me as a relative. I don't have a second person. I have no other person. It's just you I can talk with. My daughter, please, let me tell you this. The issue of Onuwa is being resolved. Please, just give me a chance. Just one more chance. Let me talk to him.
Father, you know you cannot convince me to marry Onuwa. You cannot. So stop trying.
I can do it. Let me just give you one more reason. You are disturbed about the fathers and reaction and everybody wants to report to the king. No, let me tell you this. We are trying to resolve it as elderly men in the community. Calm down, please. It will be well. But if you leave me now, you'll be disappointed that you're coming back.
The father is already threatening you. Onua, on the other hand, is threatening the father that is going to report you to the king if you refuse to give him my hand in marriage. Father, please allow me to go. Or let us go together. If you're afraid of staying here, let's go together. If we perish on our way, so be it.
We will not leave our place. We will stay here. I'll face this situation. I'll subdue it. My daughter, let me tell you. You're such a person that is so much brilliant and intelligent. The dream of every young man. But let me tell you this. If we must leave this place, or they will send for us and kill us on the way. We are not living here, please. Biko. You're the only thing I have. Know that too. What am I living for? Huh? Biko. Adam. Calm down. I promise to resolve this matter. Oh? No.
To kill your god. You foolish, ungrateful woman.
Dabereshi, don't do this. So, when did your father say I should come with my people?
It's not just your people. You come with your ancestors. You don't have sense. What's the meaning of this nonsense now? See, Onu, I've told you. Stop stopping me on the road. I'm not going to marry you.
Look, Dabereshi, so long as I'm concerned with this village, you will give me every dime, half I spent on you.
You are so foolish. You are very stupid. I mean, like, you don't have sense. You don't have single sense like this. I'll give you what money? What money are you talking about? Did I force you to spend any money on me? Did I? If you like, go and wake all your ancestors. All the people that are dead in your family, go and wake them up. It's not just the king you're reporting me to. Go and report me to your ancestors. Let them wake up and come. I will not marry you. Never. I've told you again.
So are you telling me you want to go against the Igwe's decree?
Whatever decree the Igwe passed is not for me. Do I look like someone that is scared of the Igwe or his stupid decree? See, I am not going to marry you. I'm not going to tell you again.
Dabereshi,
leave me alone.
Dabereshi, you will marry me in this village.
Oh no, leave me alone.
It's alright. We will see. We will see. I will do something about it.
Whatever you want.
Don't worry.
Move. Leave me alone. I don't move. Our kingdom is no longer fun to live in. The elders are afraid of him. Our mothers and children run at the sight of him.
Dikeh is a beast and a monster.
This is beyond our comprehension. We are just made in this kingdom. There is nothing we can do about this situation.
There is something we can do. There is something we can do. We can do something to end him. We can do something to bring him down. Yes, we can.
Shh! Taberechi, please. Please. I don't want to die. Do you want to be among those people that he has killed? Eh? Please. I don't want to die. Don't say it again, please.
Goma. Of what use is living when death is already staring at you in your face? Of what use? Our fathers are afraid to speak up. I can't take this anymore. I can't. Ifunanya has already gone mad in the palace.
Love it. Reggie, how are you? I'm fine. Where are you guys going?
We're going to the stream.
Ah, okay. See you later now.
Alright.
Bye.
Take care of you. Love it. Oh. Madam.
Oh, babe. Are you serious?
Hey.
That's battalion. I'll go extra mile for you. Yes,
I'll
no.
pull the word for you.
You know what? I can't wait for you to be my wife.
When are you coming to my place?
Soon, baby.
Soon. Are you guys back?
Yes, we are
back.
Thank you.
I hope the water is not too heavy.
It's heavy. Very heavy.
Should I help you?
No, please.
Ugoma, the bucket is carrying you.
And now your baby, I'm
I
carrying
love
you
this
too.
too.
I'm also carrying you,
Babe.
So tell me, how many kids do you love to have?
5. What is this? Who is Dikeh? And why does it still exist?
Taberechi, lower your voice now, eh? Do you want him to kill you? Do you want him to buy you? Please, let's leave this place now. I don't want to die. I beg you, please. Taberechi, I don't want to die. I'll leave you here. Huh. Let's go.
Wonderful. Okay, give me my money. We are done.
Calm down. Calm down.
When you are busy enjoying, you didn't tell me to calm down. Okay, give me my money, ma, they go.
In short, I will not give you. So whatever you want to do.
Okay, give me my money.
Nkiru.
Give me my money.
Okay, leave me. Nkiru,
Give me my money.
Okay, calm down.
That way they chop, you they enjoy, you they laugh, they stay, they sweet you. To pay now, you know, you pay. Okay, give me my money.
Nkiru.
Okay, give me my money.
I'll beat you here.
Give me my money.
I'll beat your picking.
Give me my money, Joe.
Nkiru, leave me, oh. Okay, calm down. Let me give you the money.
For where?
Calm down now.
Give me my money.
Calm down.
That way they told you, they tell me say calm down.
Calm down now.
Let me give my money.
Nkiru, calm down. Let me give you now. Calm down. I'll pay you because of this baby. Wait now, I'll pay you. Wait now, let me give you the money.
Don't worry, I will see you another day. Useless man. You think you can hit me and leave me?
You, you're a true son. This is what I have been longing for.
Exactly as you wished.
We shall make you stronger. Stronger than any other king on the face of the earth. You shall be great and mighty. Dikeh, you have done well.
Thank you. But I am running out of time. I am running out of patience. If you want more virgins, let me know. I will provide them. I need my offer. What is the solution?
Our great and mighty king, Dikeh, your wife is the solution.
My wife?
Not allowed to see the queen.
She's my friend. Now don't you know me again? Eh? Have you forgotten my face? See me very well. Please.
I said leave.
Wait, now wait.
I said leave. Leave.
Out.
Your Majesty, I'm sorry, but she escaped, Your Majesty.
Escaped?
Yes, Your Majesty.
How?
We found out she escaped, Your Majesty.
When?
Today, Your Majesty.
Under whose watch?
Me, Your Majesty. I'm very sorry, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I'm very sorry. It will never happen again, Your Majesty. I'm very sorry, Your Majesty. It will never happen again.
Find her. Now!
Yes, Your Majesty.
Come. I need you to come with me now.
Come with you where now? What's happening?
See, there's trouble now. See, okay. If Naya escaped from the palace.
If Naya? Where is she?
Come with me now.
Where is my
Naya? That's what I'm saying. To come with me.
No. Ojadike asked his boys to do this to me. Ojadike, you will never know good in this life. Ojadike, I will not stop telling you the truth. I will never stop telling you the truth. I will never stop speaking up. Hey, it's either you kill me or you keep flogging me, Ojadike. Hey, I will stand up. I will never give up. Ojadike, it shall never be good.
Obi, we have to go. We have to go. If Ojadike meets us up, he will kill us.
Oh, baby.
We need to run. Yeah. We need to go, please.
Yes, you're right. How did you escape?
It's a long story. Oh, Obi, we need to go. We need to go, please.
You know what? I'll keep you safe, okay? Let me rush back to the shop and get more money, okay? So we'll travel. We'll leave this village, okay?
Okay.
Please,
Obi,
just stay with my baby, okay?
Hurry up.
Don't worry. I'll be back, okay? Just hold on. Just wait for me.
Just go.
I'll get the money. Baby, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Just hurry up. Hurry up, please. Hurry. Don't run. Hurry, please.
We need to leave here. It's not safe here. We have to leave.
Okay, where do we go? I don't know where to go.
I gave you a second chance to live. You chose to betray me.
You are a monster. I don't know how the gods will punish you, but I promise you, your death will never be heard of. The vultures shall feast on your corpse. What are you still waiting for? Kill me! The same way you killed my parents.
Bastard. I give you life. It means I am your God. Whatever I want from you, I get. Now you look at me. Look at me, woman, look at me. Where is my offer?
The offer is not yours to keep. The offer will never be in the custody of a man whose hands has been stained with blood. The offer is off your reach. Even 1,000 of your cats. You never have the offer! You are a monster. A monster. That's what you are. A monster. Nothing more. A monster. Kill me. Why not be a man and kill me? Kill me already. What are you still waiting for? Huh?
Think I will give you an easy death? No. I will make you feel pain. Excruciating pain. I will torture you until every drop of blood in your body leaves. You will beg for death, but death will be far away from you. Then I will rip your stomach open and take back my kidney. Guards!
Yes, Your Majesty.
Take her to my torture room. Pluck out all her fingernails. Make it painful. there. Now!
Dikeh! 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 You're a monster! You're a monster!
Second chance to live. You chose to betray me.
You are a monster. I don't know how the gods will punish you, but I promise you, your death will never be heard of. The vultures shall feast on your corpse. What are you still waiting for? Kill me! The same way you killed my parents.
Bastard. I give you life. It means I am your God. Whatever I want from you, I get. Now you look at me. Look at me, woman, look at me. Where is my offer?
The offer is not yours to keep. The offer will never be in the custody of a man whose hands has been stained with blood. The offer is off your reach. Even 1,000 of your cats. You never have the offer! You are a monster. A monster. That's what you are. A monster. Nothing more. A monster. Kill me. Why not be a man and kill me? Kill me already. What are you still waiting for? Huh?
You think I will give you an easy death? No. I will make you feel pain. Excruciating pain. I will torture you until every drop of blood in your body leaves. You will beg for death, but death will be far away from you. Then I will rip your stomach open and take back my kidney. Guards!
Yes, Your Majesty.
Take her to my torture room. Pluck out all her fingernails. Make it painful. Lock her up there. Now!
Dikeh! 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 You're a monster! You're a monster!
Iwokaka, it is just a mere dream. There is nothing to be afraid of.
My kingdom reduced to dust, a mere dream? What are you people saying?
Just a mere dream. I concur with him.
Huh?
nothing will happen to us. Nothing is going to happen to Igwe. You know why? The gods are with us. And you know it.
I saw someone using the face of my son against me, against the kingdom, and against my peace. Like I said before, it is just a mere dream. The gods of our land will never allow that to happen. Shut up, Igwe.
Igwe, I want you to be rest assured. No calamity will befall our kingdom. I repeat, no calamity will befall our kingdom. Why are you worried?
We shall sacrifice 4 cows. My spirit is not at peace. And I do not know what the future holds.
If you say so, my king, but I assure you, this kingdom is under strong protection, and our enemies will never prevail.
And they had never prevailed before. You know it. Huh?
Great king. I shall take my leave now. My great king, but I reassure you again, the woes shall never prevail on our land.
And who gave you old fools the right to ask of the corpse of my parents? Who?
We are sorry, Your Highness. We just want to know when you have opened to lay them to rest.
I will let you know when the time comes.
All right, Your Majesty. Odemo.
Where is Chiobi?
Oh, he took an excuse. He has a running stomach.
Lies, Your Majesty. The coward has left our kingdom. He ran to his maternal home. Really? For safety, yes.
Go with the gods. Go to his place. Bring his entire family here. Now.
Your Majesty.
I asked you a simple question. You have not answered me. Where is my offer?
Just kill me.
Inevitable. Your fall declared theory will be your undoing. Kill me! I am not afraid to die! I'm not scared of you! Go ahead and kill me! I'm not...
No!
I hope this fortune is not a problem.
No, we are just playing.
Exactly. Come and sit down,
No, Papa, please. Obinna doesn't deserve to sit.
Why?
He just made it all the way from the market square down to this place.
Papa, it's a lie, yo. I was only playing with her.
Are you serious? If I let me tell you, my child. I remembered sometime in 1970 something, 76 to be precise, when I was doing the same thing with your mother. I'm telling you, before we finally got married.
Obi, so much energy. Obinna is
come and sit down, my son.
He just hit my leg now.
Don't worry. It's long. It's all. Come and sit down, my son. Come and sit down.
Thank you, Papa.
Come and sit down. Come and sit down. How are your parents?
My parents, they are fine.
I hope they are okay.
They are better than me.
Please join me. Join me.
No, Papa.
I insist.
Okay, just taste it. I can't refuse anything.
Taste it. It's a very wonderful wine. If I cheer off. Now, this is the love one.
This is nice, Papa.
Exactly.
If you please go inside and get me my glass so I'll drink Papa to drink.
Come on, get him a cup. Get him a glass now.
My love.
You're welcome. I can't wait to see this relationship blossom into something.
It's good, Papa.
Good marriage.
I have plans.
Yes,
good plans.
It's alright, my son. It's alright, my son. I am happy.
Yes, Papa.
This wine is special.
How are you doing?
You have seen me. You have seen politics of Agondi now. You have seen it. Managing.
No. Dikeh!
What is wrong with you? He killed Obinna for me. Oh, Jesus.
What are you saying?
That wicked idiot killed my crush Obinna.
What are you talking about?
He shot Obinna right in front of him.
Wait. Obinna is dead.
He killed Obinna. He killed Obinna. And I'm talking to you, Funanya is mentally unstable. I don't know what that man derived from. He killing people.
My God. My God. God of our land. What have we done to deserve such calamity? Obinna is dead.
This man is tormenting everybody in this village. Even our elders are handicapped. Hey!
You want to have me, right? That's all you want, just to sleep with me.
You know, I've been waiting for this day for long.
It's fine. You can do whatever you want.
Thank you. Ton, Dabere, ton, nah. Let's do this on time. You know I like it from the back.
How will I know?
Ton, I'll teach you. Ton, nah, and Ben. Dabere, ton, nah. Let's not waste time here. Ah, Ben. Dabere, Ben. Ah! Aye!
Oguma!
Yes!
But this was not the plan now. What if he dies?
Shut up! Come on, let's leave here. Let's go!
This was not the plan
Let's
now.
leave here.
Just come. Wait. Did you say the journey is still far?
One day trek.
One day more. What do you mean by one day trek? One day trek how? See, I'm tired already. Oh. What do you mean one day trek? We'll still go another day, like one whole day. Ow! What if we don't even see this woman?
Hey! Don't stop being negative.
Negative how? You said your mother told you this story when you were just 10. This woman would have died by now. What if we don't meet her?
Okay, just stop. We have to keep going. We cannot go back now. If not, then even in our land will continue to prevail. Since our men cannot speak up or battle what is before them, we just have to keep going. Please, I beg you, do not give up.
I am saying the truth. Okay. What if we go and this woman doesn't have the solution that we seek?
I pray with the gods by our side, we'll find a solution. Please, let's keep going. Please, I beg you.
I knew you'd be here someday. The old witches have taken over your kingdom. Men of valor, strong and mighty, are all gone. The chicken-hearted, even the youth, have all succumbed to the evil ruler of the kingdom. All this happened because of Ojadike's arrogance and anger issue. He brought calamity into the land and made himself a god. And then the war began.
The great is away. Our kingdom needs help. Agu dynasty needs to be restored to her glory. That is why we have come. Please.
Yes, that's why we are here.
It takes blood to cancel blood. It takes sacrifice to cancel sacrifice. For your kingdom to return to its glory and power. For your name to be written in the book of great men, Dikeh must die.
Yes, please.
The journey to restore your kingdom to its glory is not an easy one. On your way to your kingdom, do not look back. Do not look back. When you get to your kingdom, sound with the last breath in your lungs. Every evil deity in your kingdom shall fall. Man or woman. Anything, I mean everything that is not in line in your kingdom shall all fall. Go! Go! Do not look back.
Give me the horn of secrecy. No.
I will not give you. Give them the horn now. Give them the horn. Okay. If you want to give them the horn, run now. Let me die. It is my fate. Just tell my mother how much I love her. Tell everybody what we have done. Please.
What are you saying?
It's my fate to die.
Goma, shut up. We've come too far to give up now. This is the time to put an end to this nonsense. I am not giving them the horn. Enough is enough. Give me the horn. I am not giving you the horn. I will not.
It's time to save your kingdom. Blow the horn. Now! The journey to save your kingdom is not an easy one. Go! Remember, do not look back. Run!
Finally. This is not happening. Witches, where are you? Come out here! Come out! What is going on? Why can't I take my offer? Huh? I'm asking you, why can't I take my mantle of leadership? Hey, get it, bring it and give to me. You don't go for nonsense. Stop looking at me like that. Pick this thing and give to me.
Stubborn fry will always end up in the grave. We saw how stubborn you were. And we saw we needed it. And it will benefit us. Because in the past, your father refused to give us blood. This was an opportunity for us to feed on the blood of the innocent. Now the party has come to an end. Dikeh, it is time to face the consequences of your action.
Ya Allah, mad people, that's That's what you are. You come here and tell me nonsense. I am King Ojadike Reginald. Whatever Ojadike wants, Ojadike gets.
Ojadike!
Ojadike!
Ojadike! May our ancestors reject your soul. May you rot in eternity. Murderer, look at him. Now you are dead. We thought you cannot be killed. But death is the death owned by every man. See, you are gone. Okojo. Okojo. Onyojo.
Ojadike. Ojadike, you are evil. You are evil. Look at what you brought upon our people. Everybody is jubilating that you are no more. My people of Ago dynasty, a new beginning has come.
Finally, I can have peace.
What peace are you talking
Ago
about?
dynasty will know peace for the first time. Ojadike is dead. I am happy about it.
Look at who is talking of peace. Look at him. I tell you there will be no peace for you. Because you are the one that betrayed Ichiobi.
Because I didn't betray anybody.
How?
I didn't betray anybody. How did I betray?
You are the one that betrayed Ichiobi, that caused his death and that of his family. And you are talking of peace. No way. No peace for you.
I'm an able you go. About you.
Look at.
Yes.
Is
it?
Yes. The gods are white.
Abogini merazu, aso dinangi